How to change the language on Capital One app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First of all, let me head over to one of the article which is going to help you out with the step-by-step process. So this is one of the article which is going to guide you and help you out. The very first step is you have to sign in to your online banking. All you want to do is enter your login credential and then log into your account. But if you don't have your account yet, then you need to create one. Once you have been logged into your account, the next thing you want to do is select Account and Feature Settings from the drop-down menu in the top right corner. And then select the pencil icon next to Online Viewing to change the language that you use to view your online banking site. And then again, select the pencil icon next to Statements, Email, and Correspondent to choose the language you'd like us to use when sending you communications. When you are done, press the Save button and then you'll be good to go. After that, your language will be changed successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your language on Capital One app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.